the sun, which is pretty much behind, right? It's about 80 to 85 degree at an angular direction. We are placing our character or our model. In that sense, we have to make that person happy with that image, because you are professionally taking that picture. So, but initially when you are removing these reflectors, what you are getting, you just straightway look, her face is dark. Now your part is that to make it little bit soften with what? Light. Where from you will get the light?
From the sun to the
From the sun, the night. Yes, it's getting bounced and giving an impression on the figure, right? And you see how that impression affects. You put your hand here. See what is the illumination on the hand? There is a strength of light. You move it, take the change. Now this is the tone you have to carry on the face.